Hey guys, Karen here. Welcome back to me. I've been away for a little bit. I've been moving and I haven't been making videos because it really slows me down and I really have a lot of projects. I can't record everything or I would never get to move in. Today, we are going to be working with a thrifted top that I got from a local thrift store called Out of the Closet, but it's a little bit too long. And so today we're gonna make a shorter, and this is a no-sew project. Wouldn't do this or recommend this for a pricey item, something that you've paid a lot of money for, or like a very expensive piece that you maybe got a great score on at the local thrift store. But for this is just a kind of cheapy brand. Who What Wear is a Target brand, so it was probably a very inexpensive shirt to begin with. I got it for very, very inexpensive, and now I'm altering it. It's a little bit too long for me, and I'm going to just change it with no sew. So let's watch. First thing I'm gonna do, I have it's a button down and I have it buttoned up so that it's like one piece. I'm gonna turn it inside out because I'm gonna be making a pencil mark. And I don't want the pencil mark to show after I've cut the top to make it shorter. And then basically, I'm gonna draw a straight line because I'm not very good at cutting, or straightish. I'm gonna go just underneath the pocket, like a little bit lower. And I guess it's better to cut a little bit lower than to cut too high. So I'm just gonna trace with my pencil. So see, we've drawn a line. And that's too high. That's why also we do it on this side. If we need to move it, it's not a big deal. No one will know unless they look inside the shirt. Next we cut. So we've got our scissors and we're gonna just keep it flat and we're gonna hold the scissors along the flat surface and just cut straight both sides of the fabric. Again, because this isn't so precious, I'm not gonna make it more complicated than it needs to be. And right now I'm cutting flat on the ground and I'm cutting both sides of the jacket at the same time. And I'm just cutting through everything, like the side seams and cutting everything. Let's see what happens. So I've cut this off of the bottom, and maybe I'll turn that into something at some point. But now we try on our new jacket. It's still a long jacket, but it's not a mid-thigh jacket, which doesn't look good on me. So I'm not necessarily gonna wear it with this outfit, but this is the new belt. And actually I can see that it kind of angles down a little bit. So I didn't do a great job cutting it straight. So I'll probably just trim this and then it'll be straight on the sides too. See, it goes down. Boop, just cut it straight. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm just kind of rounding it because right now it's, whoops. And again, please don't do this on something that's super expensive or super precious to you. This is something that I was contemplating releasing, but I kept not releasing it because I really like the sleeves. But if it's something that's precious to you, I think it's awesome and amazing and wonderful, please take it to a tailor, or if you know how to sew it the right way. This is just for kind of messing around. Like I said, I'm hoping it will kind of wear down and get like distressed at the edges. All right, I've rounded out this area. It's not pointy. Rounded out this area. Again, I just kind of eyeballed it. And here's the final test. Both on. So you can see this length is much better on me. And I am more than likely going to wear this. No more pointy sides. When it was longer, I was like, something's not right. But this length is good for me. It's doesn't come to the middle of my thigh. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Okay, I looked it up and I'm glad that I did because I noticed I was talking to the wrong side of the camera. Still learning.